Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about the relation between electric field and electric potential. Okay, the relation between electric field and electric potential. So I am going to consider two equipotential surface. One is this, an equipotential surface. Okay, its potential value I will be say, and another equipotential surface I am going to consider here using another color. This is the another equipotential surface. Okay, potential of this equipotential surface is V, and potential of this equipotential surface is V plus delta V. Okay, clear? Otherwise I can be going to be taken as V plus delta V itself I will be going to take. Okay, so this is itself I will be going to take. Okay, so how these equipotential surfaces are to be producing, I am consider here is a positive charges are there. Okay, so there is a positive point charges, this is to be producing what surrounded by equipotential surface. In that I am taking a small portion here. There is a spherical equipotential surface is there. There I am taking a small portion. There is another spherical equipotential surface is there. I am taking a small portion. Okay, so here I am taking a positive charge. Okay, so listen here. So what is the electric field between this? Electric field is always perpendicular to it. So this is the equipotential produced by a positive charge. Okay, so so the electric field is to be going in which direction? Electric field is from here to here. Okay, so this is the electric field. Okay, clear? And the perpendicular distance between these two, it is to be I am taken as DL. Clear? This I am to be taken as so dV, like that is this symbol I will be used. Okay, so this is to be the distance between them is DL here, it is to be dV. Clear? Okay, so and next I am going to consider there is a point A here. There is a point A in the equipotential surface here, this, and there is a point B in this equipotential surface. Clear? Okay, so what I want to do, it means I want to bring a unit positive charge from here to here. Okay, so what I am going to find out, I am going to find out work done to move a unit positive charge, work done to move a unit positive charge from A to B, point A to point B. Okay, I am to be taken that unit positive charges I am taken as Q0. Okay, its value is 1 coulomb. Okay, so this charge I want to move from what? Point A to point B. Like this I have to move it. Okay, so what is the work done? For that I have to do it. I am going to find out. Okay, so we need to know, we already know that formula, what? Work done to move a charge from one point to another. A to B is equal to what? Work done to move a charge from one point to another point is equal to force into displacement. Here what is the force? What is the force? Here if we need to bring it this Q0 from here to here, here there is a positive charge. So if we will bring this positive charge closer to this positive charge, this what? This is a equipotential surface produced by a positive charge. So what will be happen? Coming closer I have to exert more force. So I am going to find out F external dot how much distance? The perpendicular distance is DL. Okay, DL. So here if I will be taken as, what is the angle between them? External force is in this direction and DL also in the same direction. So DL cos 0, the same direction. So cos 0 will be 1. So F external into DL. But I am going to find out the work done by the electric field. So what you will get? FE is in the opposite direction. You can see that FE is in which direction? If I am assuming here, the external force is F external is in this direction, and the electric field, the force exerted by the electric field is in opposite direction. Clear? Okay. So FE into dl, but here I will be add a minus sign. What is this FE? FE is equal to what charge we are bringing, that is Q0 into E into dl. There is a minus sign. That is the work done formula, A to B. This I am to be, what is this Q0 value? Q0 value is to be, the Q0 value is to be what? Q0 value is to be 1. So we can take it as 1 here itself. Otherwise, what we can do? Directly we can to be cancel in the remaining steps. Okay, you take it like this here. I will be taken cancel in the next step. Okay, so this. Then work done, another formula is that work done to move a charge in an electric field is equal to what? Potential energy at final position, that is B minus potential energy at initial position. Based on what charge we are bringing, this equation is become Q0 into VB minus Q0 into VA. Here what I am taking outside? Q0 I am going to take outside. VB, this is B. VB minus VA will comes. Okay, so this is the work done, another formula. This I will be taken as equation 2. From 1 and 2, what you can get from the equation 1 and 2? You can see the equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what is there? Right hand side is to be equal. Then what about, the left hand side is to be equal. Then what about the right hand side? That also should be equal. So minus Q naught EDL is equal to what you will get? Q naught into VB minus VA. Okay, VB minus VA. So Q naught I can cancel. So what you will get? EDL is equal to VB minus VA you will get. Okay. Okay, now you will get what? This. EDL is equal to VB minus VA. This you will get. Okay. So what is VB? VB is the potential we already taken. What we are to be taken? We taken it as V. What is VA? VA is equal to V plus dV we are to be taken. Okay. This is the potential. So EDL is equal to what you will get? This will get. So from this EDL is equal to what we can cancel. If you open it this, we can cancel this V and V. So what we will get? We will get as minus dV. So E is equal to what you will get? Minus dV divided by dl we will get. This is the thing. Clear? Okay. So this is the thing about this. And if you consider about it is what? If I am consider about the magnitude of E here also we can take it as the magnitude dV divided by dl. Clear? Okay. This is the thing. This is the main equation. E is equal to minus dV by dl. Based on this, we can take it out the two condition. What is this? What is this minus sign meaning? Minus sign meaning is that electric potential decreases in the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. Okay, how you can say that? If there is a positive charge here, there is a 2 point here is a B point, here is the A point. Where is the electric field direction? Electric field direction is like this. This is the electric field direction. Okay, so which point the electric field is to be higher? Electric field due to a point charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Q divided by R. So inversely proportional R. So here it is the maximum. Here it is lesser. So distance is higher. So here the electric field is increases in this direction. So you can see that electric potential is maximum electric field is to be what? While going through the electric field, electric potential value is to be decreases. Clear? Okay. Then one more thing we can say that if we will consider the electric field between 2 points, is the ratio of what? This dV divided by dV. What is dV? Sorry, this is the electric field, not the magnitude of electric field. Magnitude of electric field. The magnitude of electric field between 2 points is the ratio of potential difference between the 2 points. Potential difference between that two. Potential difference between that 2 points and what is that? DL. What is that DL? DL is a perpendicular distance between them and perpendicular distance between them. Distance between them. Clear? This is about the relation between electric field and electric potential. Okay. So this is the formula. E is equal to minus dV by dl. Okay. So important thing, this dl is the perpendicular distance between the that 2 points. Clear? Okay. Clear? Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like.